You ready?
What do you mean?
Just a deep sigh of
Who
like,
knows?
Oh, right.
Who knows?
I'm always ready.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, Merry Vlogmas! Oh, good grief. That was very lacklustre from both of you. Merry Vlogmas!
Merry Vlogmas!
Thank you. Merry Vlogmas, day 10 for us and 11 for you.
Yes.
So, yeah.
dear.
I'm busy.
Let's get Dad's
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for the birthday wishes.
Yes.
Yeah, lots
It was
of,
nice.
Lots of birthday
Yes.
wishes.
Yeah.
And it was a nice day.
Right, 10. Oh, that's an easy one. Which means it's in the blue.
Oh, right.
Oh, we enjoyed being detectives.
Yeah, it was good. More almonds? More almonds.
More almonds. Caramel.
Caramel almonds,
Ooh.
yeah.
Yes.
I think we've discovered that I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, but the M word is almond.
Have we worked it out at last?
No.
Well, it says Mandelkern.
Yes, must be
Yeah.
almond.
Yeah. So variation on a theme.
Mhm.
This is. Yes. Oh, they're delightful.
Yeah,
They really are.
that's good.
Mm.
That's very good.
Right.
Right, Mum's go.
I'll probably end up eating more nuts in December
Yeah, the
than I
rest
have
of
for
the
a couple
year.
of years.
I'm going to say you're going to end up nuttier than squirrel poo.
But they're good.
Right, so
This is getting very exciting.
number 10.
Number
Try and-
10.
I can see 11. That doesn't help, but I can see it.
Yay!
Oh, it's a big one.
Exciting one too.
Oh, is what we've got in there. Other
They're
than the
really
chocolate.
good.
Did you want to swap again today, or are you?
I don't know. Let's have a look, see what I've got.
Yeah. You can't have it if it's dark
No, I was going to say,
chocolate.
if it's the orange one, I will. If it's not, then...
Yeah. Oh, my favourite material. I do love that. Sorry.
No, it's all right.
Sorry.
I'm back to
dark.
So, Mum's got one of the Melba blenders that Lisa Chandler does.
It's my knitting bag all over again. It's lovely, that, isn't
It
it?
is.
Yeah.
This isn't part of the cushion.
Oh, right. No?
No,
Oh.
because look,
Oh.
the cushion background is green.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
it's part of project number 2.
Right. With some black cord.
And the felty stuff that you got
And the
yesterday.
felty stuff, yes.
So yes, my one was a truffle, mini truffle. So I've had a parcel arrive. She could be just happy noises now.
Mm.
Yeah.
Sets me up for the day.
Okay, so I've had a parcel arrive. Oh, hang on. Dad's bringing things around that will make mess of what I think is silk.
Can you see through it?
Yeah, just about, yeah.
Near will know what this is.
It's slow gin, right?
Slow gin. And
James,
it needs a shake.
James, I knew
Maybe not
the
right next to
sloes.
my
Well,
silk.
it's not going to come out, is it?
Okay.
We picked the sloes near my new house.
Mm.
He's going to
Well,
pour it all over
A ritual. Now,
Okay.
now, have you noticed, Jane, that as the the gin is seeping into the sloes a bit, it's gone down a bit.
You have to put more gin in.
I know.
Do we have more gin?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't drink gin, so there's clearly a surfeit of it in the house. Right, so as I was trying to say, I've received a parcel this morning from M. Rosenberg, which I haven't ordered. I did not order this fabric. I think this is my Christmas present from Rachel, because she did say it was arriving today, and she said that she'd asked them to put in that it was from her, but there doesn't appear to be anything, so she said she'd also sent me a card. So she did send me a picture of this and said, do you like it?
Ooh. Oh.
Oh, thank you for your order. Enjoy your fabric. Regards, Jenny. I didn't order this, Jenny. So, I think it is the most amazing silk panel, or two. Oh, there's 2. These silk panels with
Oh, that's gorgeous.
albino peacocks on them. Look how beautiful.
Sean, you've got to turn the camera around and hold it against that.
Oh yeah, everyone's seen that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's absolutely stunning. Can you see why I didn't want you shaking slow gin near me?
Well, why would it leak?
I don't know. It would be sod
That would
floor.
make a really nice, just loose caftan.
Yeah, but I don't wear those.
But you would.
I wouldn't.
It's got to be something that shows off the...
It's got to be something that, yeah, definitely. But it's absolutely beautiful.
Isn't it?
Well, I'll have it and I'll make it
It's
into
my
a caftan.
Christmas present. You shall not have it.
It's not a shirt, is it?
No, it's not a shirt.
Oh,
It
right.
is definitely mine.
It
Rachel,
is, actually.
It's not a shirt.
I've got the volume to show off the peacock.
I have absolutely zero idea what I'm going to do with this, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
I swear I didn't order this, and if I did it in my sleep.
Yeah, that's possible.
It has happened in the past.
Do you need this address for Nancy Flood off?
Yes, I've put that as a pile that I'm going to take up. It's organised. They're trying to tidy up after me, and I'm already tidy.
We're free organisers, so I'm organising. You're organised.
I know.
Yes.
That was amazing. Thank you so much. I am going to go and try and finish off the trench coat today. I have quite a bit of finishing work to do and quite a lot of hand work to do on it, but it should be able to get done today. First things first is bound buttonhole windows. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Had a little bit of a slow start to the morning. Definitely not morning now. It's 12:15. But I am now going to put the windows in for the bound buttonholes. So I have my silk organza scraps out. I always keep scraps of things like that, and I was just, up until now, I had no reason or no idea why, but now I do. Bound buttonhole windows. So yes, that's the next step. Then top stitching. Then I need to level the hem of the coat lining. Then I can sew that in. I need to put a label in as well. Then I can bag out the sleeves. Then I can bag out the hem. Then I can ladder stitch it closed. A little bit more top stitching, and then it should be done. So it should be doable today. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas sun, from this Christmas sun.
It's finished. I am over the moon with it. It does need a press. I may still send it to the dry cleaners. Maybe. But it doesn't need as much of a press as the last one. So the belt's worked out really well. I don't think I am going to put, I was going to put a buckle on the end of it, but I don't think I am. I think I'll leave it just as a tie belt like that. The sleeves are a great length. I can get it on over the green fluffy cardigan that I've been wearing today, but that one is a lot bulkier than the other cardigans that I wear. It's a Noro wool, so it's much poofier. So whilst I can get it on over that, it felt very bulky, but some of my other cardigans it'll be fine over. But yeah, I think I'll do the same thing and tease you guys with this much of it, and then I'll show you it properly tomorrow during the day when I am fully dressed. Maybe there might even be an outside tomorrow, although I am going to get my hair cut, so we'll see. This is definitely not going to be a warm coat, definitely not, but it is exactly what I was hoping for, and I love my little storm flap detail. I'm so pleased with it, and the lining's beautiful. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Like I say, I'm going to give it a quick press, and I'm also going to go over it with a lint roller because this lining just turns into fluff, so I've got little bits of fluff all over it. I did bag out this lining, which has worked really well, so I sewed all the way around the front edge from hem to hem and left the hem free so that I could bag out the sleeves, which I did, and then I've gone back in and turned it so it was right size together and put the lining, hem lining to the facing and sewed those together, and then turned it through the slit that I left in one of the hem panels, the skirt panels on the lining, then ladder stitched that close. So there was a little bit of hand finishing for this, but not too much. My bound buttonholes, again, the middle one is perfect. That one's really good. The other two are good, but they're not perfect, but to the point where I you know, I'm not going to unpick them. I'm also not going to show you them really close up because yeah. But I like the notched collar on this one. I really like the top stitching details. I can definitely see myself making this again. I might make it with a peplum, the shorter peplum. I can't see myself making this as the kind of waist jacket that stops here. Whilst I love the look, I can't see that I would use that very frequently. Having said that, I'm thinking about starting the Deer and Doe looping jacket tomorrow because I have enough of the lining left to line that, and I would do it out of this fabric but in the sweet potato colourway that I got that started this whole collection off. So yeah, I was thinking about doing that tomorrow. Let me show you how Mum's getting on with the quilt. So the feathers are done, all the quilting is done, the numbers are stuck on. They are going to be top stitched around tomorrow, Mum said. Then she's going to put the binding on for me so that I can hand stitch it into place, and then the final feathers around the outside can get done. So it's very nearly complete. I need to make little plaques for that box and then the same box down the bottom with the girls' names on it, and then I need to make a label for the back of the quilt, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. Mum's made it into a masterpiece, so really pleased with this. It'll be a lovely present. I am back up at mine. I am under the blanket. I do have the heater on, but I haven't changed into my dressing gown because I am wearing my own personal sauna suit today. I love these scuba dresses for keeping me warm. I am so happy with my very lovely present from Rachel. I'm kind of thinking I want to make a slip dress with it, which is something that is outside of my comfort zone, but I think will make the best use of the fabric. Lots of people, well, Mum and Dad and Rachel were all suggesting some kind of kimono that to wear around the pool and things like that, which would work really well, but I kind of feel like that would be a waste of the silk. So Yeah, not 100% sure what I'm going to make with it yet, but I'm very, very happy with it. So thank you very much for such a lovely present. I have edited today's vlog. I have just got to say goodbye to you guys. So I know I'm being a massive tease again and not showing you the fully finished coat, but as I say, I want to do it justice, and hopefully this time I'll be able to show it to you outside, because there will be an outside to go out into tomorrow. As I say, I'm going into town, I'm getting my hair cut and coloured for the first time in a hairdresser's for about at least 9 years. I've been colouring it myself for the longest time, and I hate doing it. Absolutely hate doing it. The last time I went to the hairdressers, they said they could get it to be this colour, so I'm going to give them a go and see if they can actually make it this colour, because if they can, fabulous, and then I don't have to do it myself. Having said that, I have bought a box dye just in case it all goes horribly wrong. Which is probably ridiculous, but fingers crossed it all goes really well tomorrow, but we shall see. I hope you have enjoyed what I have been up to today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.